Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you install Snapchat app on your Android phone easily. So let's begin. First, unlock your phone, open the Google Play Store app and make sure your phone is connected to valid internet. After that, use the search bar at the bottom of top menu bar, simply search for Snapchat. Once you have searched it, you can find the exact search result appear. Simply select the exact app name to open the next page. Now you can verify to this app is real. To check it, you can see 4.1 star rating, 37 million plus reviews, also 1 billion plus download. Once you have identified complete, hit the install button and wait to complete the process. This is depending on your phone internet connection. If your phone connected a high speed internet, you can completely install the app just a few seconds. But if your phone is connected a normal internet or low speed, this time wait for a few minutes and you have successfully installed the Snapchat app. After the install is complete, you can open it and sign back into another account or log into other account your phone. Thanks for watching guys.